Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream oasis, nestled in the serene community of Pitfour, just a stone's throw away from the vibrant heart of Montego Bay Town. This exquisite 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom residence offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and investment opportunity, all within a mere 15 minutes drive from the airport and just 5 minutes from major shopping areas. As you step inside this traditional gem, you are greeted by an inviting foyer that leads to spacious living areas adorned with classic finishes and abundant natural light. This property includes 3 self-contained apartments, perfectly designed for income generation or accommodating extended family members. These versatile spaces provide endless possibilities. Whether you're looking to invest in rental income or create a multi-generational living arrangement, this feature adds significant value to your investment. With lots of fruit trees at your fingertips and the land size of approximately 0.14 acres. Call for viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 37,950,000, US 240.9 thousand, Canadian 344.7 thousand, or 187.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.